in Asia. Guess where I'm going? I'm going to that island straight ahead. They call it Monkey Island. Oh my God, look at that. Right over here, the Yokosuka Naval Base. But I'm going straight ahead. It's a 10-minute boat ride. See you guys soon. See you guys soon. See you on the island. Folks, one more time. I'm here going there. Folks, this is that ocean jet. Going to Dumigete. This is in Yokosuka, Japan. I remember I was going to Dumigete ocean jet, but this is not it. See you guys soon. See you on the island. Almost there. That's Tokyo Bay. That way, Yokosuka Base. See you guys on the island. Folks, I'm here, Sarushima Island. They call it really Monkey Island. All right. Look at those rocks. I wonder if I can find some jade here. I guess not. I had to go to Kanagawa, the other side of Japan, to find jade. So I'm here in Monkey Island. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm here in Monkey Island, Sarushima. Please, I'm here at the postal bar. Please read it. Put in pause, whatever. But I'm going down. Here's another part in English. All right. It's gonna be an interesting trip. This was here a long time ago. See you guys. See you around the island. Folks, another postal bar. All right. This is part of the Japanese military history video series. All right. See you guys around the island. Folks, look at that. That's an old engine block. So I'm walking up this way. All right. See you guys soon. Folks, this is a power plant. It was built 1895. Guess what? It's still in use. Look at those see those red bricks? History. See you guys soon. Folks, here's a wall here, but hear the birds singing. A lot of nature in this place here. Hear the birds? Right now the temperature just dropped. It's very cool. Look at the trees. We're going this way. Going this way. Hear the birds? Birds singing. Okay. See you guys soon. Folks, on Sarushima Fortress. Basically, this fortress was designed or built, whatever. The enemy ship was unable to see from the sea, was hidden from the ocean or from Tokyo Bay. It was for, of course, for protection. From other naval ships. The barracks or the buildings you see, they have windows. Those barracks. The facilities have no windows. They're like ammunition naval magazines, you know, stuff like that. So during World War II, the additional facility was created. So give a little real fast tour here. Possible this was the barracks, because here's the windows right here. They're talking about window. So this tall wall, I believe, according to the map, keep a little walk. The map. This is an ammunition, a magazine. Huh? See you guys soon. So folks, I was wrong. This is the toilet. This is the toilet here. Oh my God. It's okay, it's all good, it's all good. See you guys soon. Folks, you notice the lines on the stone? That was chiseled from a mountain. Look at this. See that right here? Another one. It's a unique characteristics of the stone here. All this bricks was from a mountain. You see all the chisels on the side? All right. Oh, I hear the birds again. They're singing to me. Singing. See you guys soon. Bye. Folks, look at the steps going up. I think it's going to one of the artillery guns. Way up there. This could be the magazine that stores all the ammo. So here, another set of steps here. All right. So you guys in. Folks, look what I found. Oh, it's an old building. I don't know, something like that. I'm not too sure what it is. But I'm gonna pan this. It was a gun site, right? This particular area, it was facing down west, down Tokyo Bay, and this is a gun site. Oh, this is part of my Japanese military history. So interesting. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm gonna take a little short video here. Look at this, look at all the greenery. This little pathway. And listen to the birds singing. It's almost summertime here in Japan. Oh, look at that. Oh, here's some more stuff right here. Some concrete stuff here. And you see something on the right side. Wait. Oh, look at this. Oh, I found a gold mine. Oh, look at this. Oh my God. Oh, I bet you there's a gun right here. I think they're running the ammo from there. Okay. See you soon. Folks, I'm back, Chair Ninja. Guess what? That's Yokosuka base ahead of you. I want a little bit, stay here for a little bit. See all those towers. Oh, you hear the birds singing. You go back down, there's one island near Opama. It was the Marine Corps Air Station back in the late 40s and early 50s. So Toma docks there. Then you can pan to the right. You see the landmark tower of Yokohama. I used to live there. See the tall building? I used to live about 3 miles away from there in Yokohama. Oh, beautiful. Pan to the right. You can see Yokohama Bay Bridge. Barely can see it. And of course, there's going toward Tokyo that way. So I'm gonna pan again to the left slowly. You can guys get a good feel of how this place looked like. especially guys from Yokohama and Yokosuka residents. This is how it looks like here now. I'm here on Monkey Island. See you guys soon. See you soon. Folks, I'm here at the observation deck. Oh. All right. See you guys soon. Folks, look at this. This used to be an artillery gun here, located here. You can see the boats here on the floor or on the deck. And it's round. Oh, look at that. All right. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm back. I'm taking another shot at Tokyo Bay. There's Chiba there. See you guys soon. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm here in some kind of, there's a rock formation here on this island here. Look at this, kind of really unique. Ah, look at that, beautiful. Beautiful. So let me sweep around. Look at this. I'm afraid to walk down there. I might break a leg. I don't. Look at this. Oh, beautiful. That's the other side, Yokosuka. See the Yokosuka, the other side. There's the bay again. Tokyo Bay. That's Chiba, straight ahead. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm back. Look what the sign says. Ruins of a gun platform. Oh, look at this. This gun was facing toward Tokyo Bay. But you see the background, that's Chiba right over there. I mean, a little bit on the left side, you see the Yokohama Homoko. Then you go to a little bit, you see the Sky Tree. Well, I know you can't see it in the video, but I can see it from here myself. I got very good eyes. I mean, I'm an old guy, but I got very good eyes. Yeah, I saw the eye doctor about a few months ago. They tell me my eyes in good condition, mid condition. He was surprised. No diabetes, no nothing, no high blood pressure, anything. But this is a history channel, military history channel, not about me. So this is a gun platform. See you guys soon. Folks, this is the Tunnel of Love. I'm walking this way. Tunnel of Love. Small little tunnel. Small. It looked like more of a facilities here, looks like. I guess maybe it was a tunnel going between the other side. So this ship. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Another tunnel there on the left, and another tunnel going this way. Okay, see you guys soon. Folks, I'm walking. This tunnel of love. I don't know which one is tunnel of love, but any tunnel, it's okay. It was like a month ago. I was in Kanagawa, Japan. I went to that train tunnel. that was long, but I'm here. Let's check out this tunnel. I got plenty of light. The other tunnel and the other video I went to had no lights. What the sign say? Underground facility of battery. Oh, you see that? Let's go, let's walk, continue walking. It's kind of dark on the right side, but there's some doors there. It could be a magazine. They keep all the ammo in this. We out of the tunnel. I'm out of the tunnel. Okay, all right. Let's see. Brick building, finished bond. Okay, folks. See you soon. See you soon. Folks, this wall got a lot of carvings. That was early graffiti time. Wait, look what I found. USA. Somebody wrote that. I think I was the one 100 years ago. USA. It's so funny. See you guys soon. Folks, this sign says do not carve on the wall. Yokosuka City don't want you to do anything damage this wall. It was between the Japanese government and Yokosuka. It was an abandoned island. Everybody just took free of the island, roaming around and doing bad things. And they want to preserve this island better now. This island owned by the city of Yokosuka. Oh, this is no good, folks. No good. Right there, one more time for the Japanese viewers. Okay, see you guys soon. Yeah, bye. Folks, more facilities here. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I have no idea. But look at the brick. Okay, folks, see you soon. Folks, back, look at Powder Magazine. Going back a little bit. Okay, Potter Magazine. All right. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm taking another tunnel here, a small tunnel, a small love tunnel. There are 3 tunnels. I call this small love tunnel. Tiny, teensy wincy. Where does these 2? Oh, yeah, that one road there. All right. See you guys soon. Folks, I'm here on the beach, Monkey Island. Oh, look at this. I was here, oh my God, I can't remember. Oh, about 25 years, 30 years. It didn't have that. It was all different before. It's all new stuff. There's Yokosuka base, naval base, U.S. Navy, the greatest navy in the world. Look at that. Ah, that's still Yokosuka. All that. Oh, you can hear the ocean, the waves put you to sleep. All right. See you guys soon. See you back. Here's a bigger sign. Sarushima means Monkey Island. Look at this, and look down. It's colorful. Like a prison light. All right. See you guys soon. Folks, read the sign. If you missed the last ferry from Sarushima to Misakasa, turn the emergency light on, located the Welcome Center. Pick-up ferry will be provided, but there will be an extra charge. Don't miss the boat. JR Asia. Bye. Folks, I'm leaving. I'm going back. Oh my God. Almost here, almost here. There's Monkey Island ahead of. I'm here. Look, brand new cars, brand new cars. I don't know where they're gonna go to. Folks, this is the final video of the Sarushima Island, Monkey Island. That place was so interesting. How they built 1895, and they, you know, there was a lot of guns positions there, platforms, stuff like that. Interesting. Everybody should come here to visit here, Yokosuka, Japan. Thank you for everybody watching, especially people in the Philippines. Thank you for the subscriptions. People in Japan, hopefully you come over here to visit. And the United States, thank you, thank you, thank you. Subscribe to my channel, Jay Nature. Bye. This is the last video for the day. Bye.